So, company's dropped in on you, right? Or maybe they gave you a little notice that they're going to drop in. You have to have something to offer them to eat. Well, today I'm sharing with y'all this easy cheese dip that I have been making since Jamie was a baby. And that's been a while. That has been a while, y'all. So I'm starting with 1 stick of softened butter. And I'm going to just beat that up until that's nice and incorporated. You can't go wrong with those 2 ingredients. And just a wonderful, quick and easy little spread. All right, now I'm going to add 1 jar of Old English spread. Is this getting hard to find, Teresa? Because sometimes it was hard to find.
It was right, I love the Publix shopping app, because it tells me exactly what aisle to go to.
Oh my gosh.
So it was not today.
See, I don't know any of that kind of stuff. That's way beyond my pay grade. Using stuff like that. Okay.
Kroger has one too. I like all of them.
Really?
Just makes it easy not to forget something.
Half a cup of mayonnaise. And let me see how much garlic.
A teaspoon.
A teaspoon of garlic. There you go. And I'm using garlic powder, not salt, because cheese is salty. So don't want to add any more salt.
My mom made this. Did your mom make this, Eddie?
I think something.
Yeah.
Some
So it's not
version of it.
I mean, this is an old-timey, quick.
It was spread on celery and
Yeah.
chips.
Yeah. It would be good on vegetables or crackers or even little dinner rolls,
Ooh, yeah.
It just seemed like the 1960s and 1970s
This is
had some good.
so 1960s, y'all. Maybe for you little chicks out there, y'all might not have had this or picked it. So this is something easy that you and your friends might enjoy. You know what? This would be good on y'all, and I probably did it in the 60s. How good would that be on your baked potato?
Oh.
Shut up. I mean, that, your butter, your cheese, everything but sour cream.
This is your potato sauce
Yes.
on steroids.
Yes. Now, I'm just going to serve this to us on some little crackers, little flatbreads. Yum. Who would like some? You can have some of this, Teresa.
Oh, I can.
I'll pass that to you.
Thank you very much.
That bring back memories, Teresa.
Yeah. I like it just on white bread.
Oh, you do?
Just thought about that.
You can't beat it. Can't beat it. A quick dip. But
You made yourself.
yes, that you made yourself. But please don't forget to try it on a baked potato. Loving best dishes. Quick dishes today.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.